Melody, and today I'm going to share with you another quick and easy recipe. Now, one of my subscribers asked me to share some recipes that they can use since they were recently diagnosed with pre-diabetes. Today I'm going to share with you one of those recipes. Quick, easy, and nutritious. We're going to be making carrot and raisin salad. Only 2 items. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 large carrots and 1/4 cup of raisins. Now this recipe takes no time at all, so we're going to go ahead and prepare the raisins. Now I like my raisins to be soft. Our raisins are nice and hard, but we need to get them soft, so we're going to rehydrate them. So I'm going to add some water, just enough water to cover the raisins and allow them to stay steeped for about 5 or so minutes. Now we're going to go on to prepare our carrots. Now we're going to cut off the tops and the bottoms of our carrots. We're going to grate them. But before we grate them, going to just shave them quickly to get off that rough edge. Then we're going to grate them. Now if you don't have a box grater and you want to use your food processor, you can go ahead and do that. But I think I'm going to use a grater. Now our carrots are grated. Now I would have drained the water off of the raisins, so I'm going to just add the raisins to the carrots. Now raisins are naturally high in sugar, so if you use a lot of raisins, they will spike your blood, and we don't want that. So whenever it comes to dealing with pre-diabetes, portion control is very important. So we're going to just use a small amount of our raisins, and our carrots are so filled with fiber, the carrots will slow the spike that the raisins may possibly cause. So you get something balanced. We're going to just add the raisins and we are done. 1 bite of carrots and raisins, totally nutritious, no spike, filled with fiber. Now let's taste. The bright orange color with just a peep of dark brown from the carrot is a beautiful color combination. So good and so fresh. There's nothing quite like eating a fruit or a vegetable when it is completely raw, because that way you know you are getting the highest possible nutrients. And because we would have softened our raisins or rehydrated them, the raisins are soft, the carrots are hard, so you have those textures going on. Just delicious. Highly recommend this. Carrot and raisin salad. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this salad, I want you to look over here and see some of my other salads. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.